Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Divine Masters Oracle by Kyle Gray with artwork by Jennifer Hawkyard. This is a 44 card deck and guidebook published by Hay House, and if you guys saw the Hay House card deck club unboxing video of the winter version, this was in it. So thank you so much to Hay House for that. All right, so this retails for $19.99 in the US and $25.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. Okay, so it says the Divine Masters Oracle is a gathering of sages, saints, and angels who have been offering the world wisdom, emotional intelligence, and spiritual guidance for millennia. This 44-card deck works as a bridge between the realms, allowing you to connect with the Divine Masters so that you can harness the infinite power of heaven and live a spiritually aligned life. All right, I'm excited about this. I really do like Kyle Gray's decks. I haven't read any of his books. They're on my list to get to. Divine Master Within, the voice of my inner teacher, I call on you now. Awaken and activate. I am willing to remember you, and so it is. All right. So same on the bottom there. So these are the cards. We'll get to that in just a second, but here's the guidebook. I just want to see if there's anything pertinent we need to know moving forward. Okay, we have an introduction and then how to use the cards, creating a relationship with your deck, how the cards work, and then we have suggested spreads and then interpretations of the cards here. Nice, each one has their own page number. The Divine Masters have appeared in different spiritual traditions with different names but similar roles, teachings, and even locations. For example, Buddhists believe that ascended enlightened masters reside in Shambhala, a hidden city of light in the Himalayas, while many sadhus and Udasis, the wandering holy men of India, have spoken of hidden temples and mysterious masters or gurus, and Christian traditions have taught us that there is a communion of saints or a gathering of human souls and angels in heaven. No matter what path or tradition you follow, the Divine Masters are willing to guide and support you. Most have had physical incarnations and therefore understand the complexities of being human and spiritual at the same time. Call upon these beings in challenging times and they will support you through the processing of healing and transformation. All right. So we do have creating a relationship, and then we have an activation prayer. It seems like you can utilize this as, any other oracle. The cards you pick and the messages you read are reflections of your souls. The enlightened spiritual beings on this deck are in no order of importance. All of them consider themselves equal and trust that you will simply pick the card with the message you need to hear. Some more information. Asking questions. So a suggested question, what do I need to know or do in order to have a more balanced relationship? How can I step into the gifts I have come in with? Okay, and then we have spreads. So we have single card, 2 card, the strength, heart, and challenge spread, as well as the life path spread. Okay, and then it goes into the card meanings. All right, I'm excited. Let's get into it. It is a mat. There's the back. Oh, look, you can see like the canvas that it was drawn on, or created on, I should say. That's really cool. I love to see that. And the cardstock is Hay House cardstock. It is a little bit on the, I call it medium route. So not too thin, not too thick, very flexible. It's going to snap back. All right. Look at that artwork. Okay. Commander Ashtar. So it has the title, the activation, and then a little bit about this Ascended Master and the message about the card, what the Ascended Master brings. The Atlanteans. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to horribly mispronounce these names. I do apologize, but I'm going to try my best. Mahavatar Babaji. I mean, no disrespect at all. The Blue Beans. Brigid. Buddha. The Divine Director. Jwal Cool. El Moria. Gaia. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love that representation. Green Tara. Hanuman. The artwork is beautiful. Some of these look like they're staring directly into my soul, so it's a little unnerving. I know that there's some people out there that do not like faces in their decks. I understand that. Hathor. But I feel like, for me at least, my perspective is that's something that I need to take away from. Like there's something in that card that I need to take a little bit closer look at. Hilarion. Horus. Just beautiful art. I love the messages on the cards. Ishtar. Isis. Jesus. Joan of Arc. Kali Ma. Kuthumi. I hope there's the little pronunciation key in the guidebook. That would be most beneficial for me at least. Lakshmi and Ganesh. The Lumerians. This is the cover. Mat. This is beautiful. Mary Magdalene. Mother Mary. Melchizedek. Oh my gosh. So awful with this. Metatron and Sandolphin. Michael and Faith. Lady Nada. Paul the Venetian. Lady Portia. Kuan Yin. Guru Ram Das. Such a gentle expression there. Rama and Sita. Rumi. Saint Germain. Sana Kumara, Serapis Bay, Shiva, Sopdet, Thoth, Vajrayana, and Lady Venus. All right, beautiful. Oh my gosh. There we go. Very flexible. There we go. All right. And they shuffle great this way too. That one really wanted to come out. I'm going to read for Hathor. But yeah, these are really, really beautiful. Okay. So on the card, it says light activation, acceleration, brilliance, stand in your light. Gorgeous. Okay, so it has the same information there. Hathor, also known as Het-Huru, is the cow goddess of ancient Egypt and the solar goddess who is strongly connected to the sky and fertility. Hathor worship dates back to the 3rd millennium BCE. Hathor is easily recognized for she wears a sun disk on her head, held in place by 2 horns, relating to the cow and to the wisdom. She's also widely represented as a human-like being with a pair of cow's ears, which is what the image in the deck is based on. Het-Huru means from the house of Horus, and it has become accepted that Hathor is the divine consort of the hawk-headed deity Horus. This connection gives her cosmic energy and a link to the stars, star beings, and a star potential. It is also believed that she is likely the daughter of the sun god Re, and therefore carries the infinite light of the sun. In modern spirituality, Hathor is the face of a divine race known as the Hathors, enlightened beings from the stars who are helping people on Earth reach their highest potential. Then we have your message. Light, joy, and success surround you now. If you have been going through a dark, challenging time, the clouds are now parting and the light of the sun is shining upon you. This is a time of acceleration and success. You are beginning to build momentum and things are starting to move forward. Old dreams and visions may come to light now, for whatever has been blocking you or holding you back is now being released, making space for an influx of energy, drive, and movement. Hathor is encouraging you to set your sights higher than before. Reach for the sun. Bask in your own brilliance. If you have held back on expressing any of your talents or bringing to light information that will support your growth, now is the time to bring these things into the light of day. If you have been holding back on a project or waiting on the right time to move forward, that time is now. The wheels are turning and your life is moving. Enjoy the light. Okay, so no pronunciation guide, but that's okay. I really like that it goes into who these beings are, a little history about that, so you can understand the connection there with the message, and then going beyond with the message. I love this. I think it's beautiful. I think it's a great way to learn about these beings. So I think that this deck is great. I think that if you are wanting to learn more about these beings or masters, this is a great deck to do so. I feel like Kyle Gray's decks have a lot of depth to them. I feel like the messages in them are very channeled. So I do really appreciate his decks. This one's just gorgeous. And like I said, there are a few here that I'm just like, oh, whoa, they are reading into my soul. And it's not a bad thing. I think that's really great. And for me, I think that's an awareness that I need to take a look at these cards in deeper and look at the messages within. So I understand those of you who do not like the realistic faces on your cards. I totally get that. But I think for the price, this is fantastic. The quality is great quality. And I don't have really anything negative to say about it. I think if you're trying to learn about these, awesome, as well as this gives you great insight into yourself personally and as a daily pull, just to see what energy to focus on or what to kind of look forward to throughout your day as well. So with that being said, is this a deck that you guys are excited about? If it is, drop me let's be bold and have a little alien emoji in the comments section and to let me know that you've made it this far, and let me know all of your thoughts and your opinions. What do you think? And thank you so much to Hay House for sending that card deck club so that we can take a look at this deck as well in depth. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.